Nature is changing color. Fall is here. Children enjoy learning through fun and interactive activities. So let's check out the simple, easy to create fall-inspired activities for preschoolers. So stay tuned.
Hi moms and little babies, welcome to ICAREBABY. Myself Ishwata. I make videos related to parenting, pregnancy and baby care. If you are new to my channel, then definitely click subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Help ICAREBABY to reach out to 100,000 subscribers. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and Instagram.
To create fun sheets at home, you will need colorful construction paper, marker, hand sanitizer, Ziploc bags, tape, food color and some fun stuff such as pom-pom, buttons, googly eyes or natural items if it is available near you such as acorn, fall leaves and fall coloring sheet. If you don't have one, then create one or you can draw anything your child likes. Print or draw maze on construction paper. I have taken yellow and green, which are fall colors. Take a Ziploc bag and pour hand sanitizer inside the bag and then add acorn or buttons inside the bag and close it tight. Place the maze paper under the Ziploc bag and stick it on a flat surface with the help of tape. My son is enjoying this maze fun. In this bag I have added acorn and in another bag I have added buttons. You can add whatever you want. You can create as many as maze sheets and use it in the same way for endless fun. I have taken this orange construction paper, which is another fall color. I have created 4 sections on this page: star, pom-poms, buttons, wiggle eyes. Add sanitizer into Ziploc bag and add fun stuff. For each activity we are going to follow the same procedure which we have followed before. This is a great way to teach sorting to preschoolers and it's very engaging activity. You can draw a fall inspired design or anything else which your child likes on the construction paper. Add a few drops of food color and sanitizer into a Ziploc bag and close it tight. Follow the same procedure as followed before. This is very pleasant activity. Use different colors so children can enjoy mixing colors and at the same time learning about it.
So that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Subscription is absolutely free and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get notified when we upload new videos. Till then, ciao!